Hello and welcome to this session. In this module, we are going to explore the find and replace functionality using regex. So far, we were writing regular expressions which matched patterns and selected some strings and excluded some others from an input file. Here, we are going to do something different. We are going to replace some parts of the string or maybe the whole string itself. In the very first step, we understand the requirement. What part of the string needs to be replaced and what should be the replacement. In the next step, we represent the search patterns using regex. We will identify patterns that need to undergo replacement. Then we will enclose the patterns that needs to be replaced with parentheses to segregate them into what are called capture groups. The concept of capture groups will be clear when we go through the examples coming up soon. Next, we will come up with the substitution string and get the replacement done for the captured pattern groups. In the last step, we will use a regex engine to implement our find and replacement. That's it for this session, and let's move on to the first example using regex find and replace.